Hi everybody, Jacob here from Higher End Productions, and this is your context for today's video. So it's a Sunday evening, and I get word that there's a B776 coming with a CN leader, a UP engine trailing second, and a Ex-Citirail trailing third. Now, I've only ever seen one of these before, and so these are a really rare occasion to see coming through Buffalo, so I know I had to go out and get this thing, along with a couple other trains that we happened to see while we were out. Starting off the evening was CSX I-008, a daily intermodal from Rose Lake, Illinois to Syracuse, New York. They're making good time out of Buffalo as they pass the Sheldon Avenue grade crossing. B776 would round the curve down at 427 about 10 minutes later, with a fresh CN AC44 C6M leading the charge past Sheldon Ave. After the head-in passed at Sheldon, I'd hop back in the car and race it down to Old Broadway, where I'd beat them with just about a few minutes to spare and see them pulling in for their crew swap. Next, I'd move over right by the old Grand Central Terminal, where a mystery manifest that I unfortunately could not find the symbol of would surprise us getting here first, with a nice GP40 trailing second. A couple minutes later, we'd hear 776 giving the briefing in Frontier, and I was able to set up to get a beautiful shot in the fading light with the Grand Central Terminal in the background, and I just love how this video turned out. While I was out for the 776, I heard that M561 had 3 MACS on it, and it cleared 427 on my way home. So I made a quick pit stop at the Depew station to see it, but of course, one of the MACS couldn't have been leading. There were 2 on the head end and 1 is mid-DPU. Thank you all for watching another video. If you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below on which train was your favorite in this video. I hope to see you all in the next one. This is Jacob from Higher Iron Productions saying I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.